Hello, and thank you for joining my course. My name is Amanda Jordan, and I'm the Director of Local Search for the Locomotive Agency, a technical SEO agency with experience consulting enterprise-level B2B and B2C companies. This course is all about how to complete local SEO audits for multi-location businesses. We will discuss how to create actionable audits that can work for a business with 2 locations or 200 locations. And by the end, you'll be able to present a thorough audit that can be used as a blueprint to help you build a local SEO strategy for any multi-location business or client. There will be plenty of opportunities for you to practice your new skills along the way. So I highly recommend having a client in mind that you want to create an audit for. During this course, we will be using a variety of free and paid tools, including those available through BrightLocal. It is possible to complete this audit manually or using free tools. However, it could take longer and provide less accurate information. We'll talk through the following items in relation to audits: understanding your clients, identifying search terms and keywords, elements to audit, auditing those different elements successfully, and what to include in your audit report. We got a lot to cover, so without further ado, let's get started.